this is Stuart Smith with Stuart Designs. Hey, let's paint some monsters today. Boo! Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Hey, today we're going to work on the second logo and possibly the third. I want to give these guys as many options as possible. So we're going to use the same canvas, leave some of the elements there, and erase others. So we're going to go with a larger Grim Reaper on the second one and a clown on the third. So thanks for coming on board. Hey, enjoy the transitions. Please subscribe. And also, hey, got a lot of new YouTube channels in the description below. Got our Shopify account. Join me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. All in the description below. Thanks for coming on board, people. Enjoy the video and God bless.